today we're in Tamri. I remember here like it was yesterday. One thing I remember, actually two things I remember from Tamri, is the delicious tagine and bananas.
Nice. So you're right, Harry. And by the way, I'm not sure it's still morning. It's about lunchtime now, which is perfect timing that we're here. So it's about a 45-minute drive from Agadir, or from Tagazout and Tamrat. And this part of the drive between here and Essaouira is famous for its bananas.
Yes.
So I don't know if Tamri, also Tamrat is as well. It was called like banana, it's where it gets the name Banana Village. But so this part is a real highway stop, like it seems like a sort of junction leading up into the valleys.
Where we got the tagine was like this roadside stop just up here.
Yes, that's right. So anyway, this is the busy town of Tamri. It's like, I think it must be a junction and a kind of partway stop between Essaouira and Agadir, like on the main national highway there. And
today we're gonna take you guys to get a few bananas and a tagine.
That's right, and we're gonna see, so as soon as I'll turn the camera around and show you how many bananas we can see, we'll just go across the road.
1, 2.
And also
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Also worth noting that today is Saturday and it is the day before Ramadan. We think Ramadan either starts tomorrow or the next day. And that means I don't know if they won't have so many tagines cooking during the day. So hopefully today they still do.
Yeah.
So here we go, we're going through
butchery,
big butchery shop. We're going through Tamri here, and Tamri actually also has a weekly market, but it's not open at the moment. Lead the way, Harry.
I think the ritual is actually just up here.
And papaya, it's famous for its papaya as well. Hello, salam. We will come and get some, definitely. Oh, thank you, that's nice. We will come back. Harry, do you want to try a banana? He's giving you a banana.
Teachers here?
He's giving you a banana. Thank you. Oh, do you want to try it? He's giving it to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's so nice. Yeah, give it a try. Very nice.
Good banana.
Can you try some? It's a good one? Benin?
Yeah. Benin.
Papaya. You have lots of papaya. Very nice. We're going to have a tagine and we will come and get some. Thank you very much. Shukran. That's really nice. Wow, look at all these beautiful bananas.
I also remember we met some teachers.
Oh yeah. This is a very friendly little place. Oh look, Gab's in there. Do you think he remembers the right place? Looks like the right place? Oh, sorry. Hi, salam alaikum. Look, we're back at the same famous place in Tamri, the best tagine in Tamri there.
This place is amazing, and they recognise us.
So
as
we found
the.
Did they say they remembered it? And you found the right same place there as well? Yeah. Nice.
They don't have kefta today.
Oh, so what kind of tagine do they have?
They have beef, chicken. I think they have mussel.
They what? Chicken and beef and fish.
Yep.
Is that what did you ask already?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right.
He said he can make it, and he said he can also make us an omelette if we want some breakfast. So.
Ah, nice. Okay, let's decide. So shall we sit here right at front? All right, let's sit down.
Wow, look at this. Yes. Nice. Wow. That's a good photo. Nice. It feels good to be back. Oh, nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. They all look delicious. They all look delicious. Sarah, it's going to be hard to choose.
I know. You had to decide though. You had to turn it off so you can decide.
Yeah. Yes, they have a beef. I'm just actually going to take a wander. The market's open today, so I'm going to take a little wander through the market here and show you. This little market was open last time we were here as well. Here it is here. And it's quite the neat little place. Hello, hello. Oh yeah, look at this. This is actually quite the cool little market, this is. Vegetables, garlic, limes, heaps of mint and coriander. All right.
How's the market?
It's quite the happening little market.
So is it a Saturday market?
Yeah, it must be.
I thought it was Monday, but maybe it's Saturday.
I don't remember it being open last time.
Yeah.
A little bit random to say now, but I didn't notice the drink Poms last time we were here.
Ah.
It's sort of like the Raratonga's vibe.
Maybe we didn't drink it.
Yeah.
We didn't. But so Oscar, they just ordered a Poms drink. So Poms, for anyone non-Moroccan watching, is actually a drink. Is it manufactured made in Morocco?
Yeah.
So he's come and got
Yes,
this.
here he is.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's actually quite the happening little town. There's little bakeries here. There's fresh bread guys just up here. It's before lunchtime. I think it's only sort of 11 o'clock-ish. So it's still reasonably quiet here. Look, they're building a new mosque over here. Up there, a new minaret going in. It's that real classic Moroccan style mosque. But neat little town. It's really good to be back here. There's a couple of butchers that I'm going to go for a wander up the road and have a talk to soon. But and speaking about soft drinks, we actually should do like a bit of a soft drink challenge and try some Moroccan soft drinks.
So the question for Moroccans, is Poms a Moroccan drink or is it just Hawaii? What do you reckon? I think it is.
Coca-Cola Company.
Okay, are you doing the taste test? Oh, you meant to do it slowly, Oscar. You can't do the whole thing though. We could.
Tastes like a really sweet apple juice.
Is
And
it?
fizzy.
And fizzy?
Yeah.
Would you
And
recommend it?
Sprite and
Well, Sprite is not a taste
And the
test.
Sprite
You
is-
guys don't get to do a taste test with that. Oh, here comes our plate.
very
Oh, lovely,
spritey.
thank you. Is it?
Sprite.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you to the market where Dad has gone. I think Dad's gone to go. Sorry, I think Dad's gone to go look inside the market to see if he can find some fruit for our little fruit bowl in our van, Kenny. Here he is now, taking some photos. Hey, Dad.
It's not a very big market, but it's really nice. And there's like the people are very friendly.
Is it sort of like Raro's Sunday market?
Yeah, kind of. I guess it is. Yeah.
Look, you got your tagine pots.
Very bright though
your
in the sun.
fruit and veggies. Your cat and
Lots of
everything.
Lots of mint and coriander.
yes, lots of mint. Lots of, oh, is that salt?
Salt, yeah, and charcoals.
Charcoal, salt,
Is this
garlic,
salt?
lemon.
Salt.
Yep. Nice. Well, this is basically all there is.
Yeah.
You
little
got
Tamri
your
market.
olive
And
salam.
there's, honey.
You got your meal. Dad can get
What's meal
everything.
again?
Honey.
Honey, yes.
So that's basically the market. But yeah.
Like the vegetables and the fruit in that are really well presented. Like they're
It's
all looking really,
like
really good.
stacked as well.
Yeah, yeah, it's looking really nice.
Look at all those oranges. Oh wait, I have the perfect shot.
True.
Orange.
And bananas, of course. Bananas. This place is famous for bananas, isn't it?
Yes.
This whole sort of valley.
Well, I think so. Yeah. Mum said something about that.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know what's down here.
Maybe we'll go have a looky. Go have a looky. Look.
Yep.
First taste test.
Okay, so our beautiful tagine has arrived.
It's
Look
arrived.
at this. How
Look
good
at
does
the
that look?
sauce. Look at the meat, the onions, caramelized
That's
onions, the
awesome.
olives.
Nice.
So well presented. You're taking
Nice.
too much time to
Menin.
explain.
Menin.
Nizian, yeah.
It is so nice. Every tagine we've had is really good, but this one's probably the best.
So do you
I
remember
know the best one wasn't tasteless, but this is the second.
No, nice. Well, we reckon this tagine here, when we stopped in Tamri, it convinced us about the highway stops and how this was probably the first place we learnt where they have all that. Oh no! Oh no! Where they have all the. Whoops. Okay, whoops. Slightly, the wind suddenly went really strong. I just watched the guy tying down his technical difficulty. I just watched the guy up there tying down his umbrellas. Thank you, sorry about that. But the glass with all the serviettes and just went flying off the table. Back to the tagine.
I'm gonna do the taste tester for the sauce.
Okay, yeah. Oh, is it spices? Thank you, nice. Very good. Do you want a salad or that's enough? For? Yes, please. Just one salad. Thank you. These guys are awesome.
So what is this?
By the way, the sauce is really nice.
It looks like a spices sauce. Yeah. So how is the tagine, guys? Sorry for that.
So
Great. Oscar, I haven't actually got to go there yet, but so how is it, guys? Quickly do some taste testing and talking there. Good onions.
Otherwise, Mum's going to miss
Alright,
out.
I don't want to miss out there. I'm handing over this
it's
camera.
gone dry now, so it might really
Oh, no.
soaked up the sauce.
Okay, alright, I know. I need to get in there. Alright, here we go. So Gav, halfway through now.
Halfway through. And I'll tell you what is nice, is a lot of the people, or the people that work here are the same guys from last year. Actually, I've got to say, through all of the restaurants that we've revisited this year, it's actually the same people. So,
It's really nice, eh?
which is great.
It's very friendly. Morocco does very well at remembering people and just having the same kind of hospitality and the same very warm welcome everywhere we go. We actually came to Tamri on our way down the coast last year. Then we went all the way down to Mauritania and came back, and when we came back my mum came and joined us for a week.
That's right.
And so we brought my mum here to Tamri to have a tagine, because we said we picked her up in Agadir, and she came in our van and we said, oh, you have to come and try the tagine here in
I have
Tamri, and some bananas.
discovered my new favourite fruit in Morocco. It's a persimmon.
Oh,
So
and did you see
they're
some
like,
here?
yeah, they're like mango mixed with
I think it's like a
papaya.
peach. I think it's sort of like a peach.
Really soft peach.
Yeah, but look how tender this meat is.
Nice, Harry. Wow, that looks very good. Do the taste test.
Wow, that's so good.
Benin?
If you don't mind, Harry, I would like my fork back.
Okay, true. I usually get even 2 forks. All right, keep going, guys. Nice chicken, Harry.
Oh,
Good.
that's a big bit of meat there.
Wow, well done, Harry. Here you go, babe. I'm going in.
They're definitely very generous with the beef.
Oh, thanks, Harry. I'll grab some in a second. Yeah. It's really good. And all these vegetables, the onions. I love all these carrots.
Yeah. They're really generous with the amount of beef they put in, eh?
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah. Thank you, my man.
Welcome to Tamri.
Oh, you're awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
We'll see you next time. Thank you. Next time.
Yeah. Thank you, my man. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, those guys are awesome.
They're really nice. So if you're coming anywhere between Agadir and Essaouira, stop into Tamri, check out this place. It's got bright pink tables there.
It's the place here. You can't miss it.
Yeah.
Friendliest guys in
And this is where
town.
we are in the middle of Tamri. Look at it opposite. Look at their beautiful mosque.
I know, it's right beside the market
In the market.
gates.
That is must be the weekly market. So
Yep.
yeah, awesome. So let's go and buy some bananas on the way out.
Bananas,
We can't
maybe
leave.
some papayas.
And khakis.
Yeah, we can't leave Tamri without getting some bananas.
Oh yeah, so we learned yesterday that the word for persimmons, I think, is khakis.
Maybe. Okay, Oscar, lead the way. We'll go down. The guy at the end gave us a banana before. Salam. And I think I
Banan.
the guy from before.
Yeah.
Oscar, you okay?
So like I said
I
before,
see.
this
Oh,
place
so
is
it's
very well known for its bananas. So look at this, it's just bananas everywhere.
And the guy
Banan. Papaya. Look how nice and orange they are.
Which
Well, we
guys,
call them pawpaw, but
if
they're
you saw
papaya.
this- guys, if you saw this, would you think this is a banana?
True.
Banana.
Does look like a little banana.
But we're gonna get a bunch of bananas, gonna head back off. Continue on our journey.
Maybe get a pawpaw actually.
Yeah. So what does a kilo of bananas cost?
So the small ones, I think
Cans,
they're 10. Thank you very much. Oh, he's taking photos of bananas.
Ah, yes, okay. Great. Yes. Welcome to Tamri.
Nice.
So what was the price?
The small bananas were 10 dirham a kilo, and the big sort of like, I got some from the next shop as well because he was really nice there. They're 20 dirham a kilo. So,
Okay.
yeah, I think they really are all from this local area though. So we're going to head back now.
Yeah. On that note,
Great day in Tamri. Tagine, banana,
Lots of bananas.
lots of bananas, lots of bananas, papaya,
Everything.
persimmon.
so how was that tagine?
It was so good.
Rated out of 10,
I
Sarah.
ran it dry. It ran dry.
I feel like, oh, that's a toughie. I reckon I'd give that a good solid 8, 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
8.5. 8.5.
Yeah, it was
No, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
Wow. Nice.
Definitely, if you're coming through on this highway,
It's
make
worth
sure
it just
you-
for the hospitality.
Yeah,
Hey.
it is worth it. As always in Morocco, the hospitality makes it outstanding. So yeah, this is an awesome town, and I've been so looking forward to coming back to it. It's only
Same
a small
here.
stop, and we're only here for an hour or so.
Yes.
but it is well worth it.
Yeah,
So thank you,
it's-
Tamri.
It's actually kind of one of those little towns that you have to pass through if you're going between Tagazout and
Essaouira.
yeah, or Msawan and that sort of thing. It's a awesome little town. It's actually one of the towns we spoke continuously about returning to because
Yeah.
of the tagine was so good. The service was
friendly
so good,
guys
and the
there.
friendly guys there, and it was the same guys here again this year. So amazing.
Conclusion, amazing bananas. Look at the mountains around us.
I
It
know.
is a
The
beautiful little
mountains are
town.
amazing.
I know.
Definitely
guys.
stop in this little roadside stop.
Nice.
Get some bananas, have a tagine,
It's
and
totally,
we will.
it's totally worth it. And we will see you on the next day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.